To configure the CyberScout mobile app, start by downloading and installing it from the App Store on your device. Once installed, open the app and click on the Sign Up button to create an account. Enter your email address and choose a strong password. Then confirm your email address by clicking on the verification link sent by CyberScout. After verifying your email address, log into the app using your credentials. You will be prompted to set up your profile, which includes providing some basic information such as your name and phone number. This information will be used to provide you with personalized support and identity protection. Services. Next, navigate to the Settings menu, where you can configure the app to suit your needs. Here, you can set up alerts and notifications for potential identity threats, such as credit report changes or suspicious account activity. You can also choose which types of threats you want to be notified about and how often you want to receive updates. Another important feature of the CyberScout app is the credit monitoring service. To set this up, go to the credit monitoring section and follow the prompts to link your credit accounts. This will allow CyberScout to monitor your credit reports and alert you to any suspicious activity. In addition to credit monitoring, the CyberScout app also offers a range of other tools and resources to help you protect your identity. These include a password manager, a secure browser, and a guide to best practices for online security. Take some time to explore these features and learn how to use them to enhance your online security. Finally, make sure to regularly review and update your settings to ensure that the app is working effectively to protect your identity. This includes keeping your profile information up to date, monitoring your credit reports, and staying informed about the latest online threats and scams. By following these steps and using the CyberScout app, you can significantly reduce your risk of identity theft and stay safe online.